flying away. So on and on with mine, we are traveling miles away, searching for the home and song for forever and a day. Trying to find a way to face the same way, so one day I can say I found a way to fly away. So on and on with mine, we are traveling miles away, searching for the home and song for forever. Yo, so why the niggas say the course conventional, avoid the ball invention, even though it causes suppression? I see acceptance as a reason for the joy that has no reason. Nigga, what about the set up all to get down like it's treason? But niggas don't give a fuck. To some degree, I get it, so unknown since the start. But have you ever thought since the start you pick the stars? The global reach of the globe from its very growth. The life you see today is not the life from just today, but it's the life from yesterday, aka the stars, very stars. So to all my niggas, better start perceiving where you started beginning. Open the sand since you grow, stop, put the looking down, bad fucking nonsense. Reach beyond the borders, searching out like fucking boys for the very joy, treasure, busting out the boys, killing each other, that's a pleasure.